Hey y'all, it's Angie. I'm here today with the Cryo2O Relief System. This is cryotherapeutic relief and it's for targeted pain management in 3 minutes or less. This was sent to me from the brand, so I'd like to thank them for sending that over. Now it just so happens that hubby was out walking the pasture and he stepped wrong and tweaked his knee. And we've already had to try these out. I'm going to tell you that this is some pretty intense cooling. Few things first, let's go over what we get in the box. So you have 3 gel packs. And these gel packs, y'all, they stay gel-like, they stay pliable. They don't get hard as bricks like those old school ice systems. You have 2 straps. One has a clip here, which I've already attached, and the other has a clip on this end. You get 7 of these little clips that you can attach on any of these ice packs, and then these little things actually go in your straps like this so that you can button your straps around and tension those up and tighten them up however you want to. You have one very long stretchy strap, and you have one that's a little bit shorter, still stretchy. I like that because you can customize this for whatever area of your body that this is going to be on. Another thing that I like about this is these gel packs are fully customizable. You can use them single, you can put 2 together, you can put 3 in a linear fashion like this, you can put them like this to cover a larger area like a shoulder or a lower back. These things are completely customizable, whatever way, shape that you want to put them. To assemble these, you just put them back to back like that. You put your little clip right there. And what that does is it gives you a nice flat surface right there with no gaps in between. We'll do one real time here. We'll put that on. You put your little clips in here. Fold that down. And that's all there is to it. You have a couple of options for applications. You can thread your strap through there and then apply your little hook right there. Or if you wanted to, you can go ahead and strap all the way through here and come all the way back around. Insert your little tab and then buckle that on top. This was designed by a NASA engineer and it was designed to reach that therapeutic temperature in 3 minutes or less. The modular system allows you to put it wherever you need to. When you use these, you may want to put a washcloth or a towel or something in between your body and the cryo pack. We did do that with my husband's knee. He said it was very cold and he appreciated having that little bit of a buffer layer there. He also appreciated not having to sit still for 15 to 20 minutes for a typical icing session and felt like he got the same intensity of icing out of these in 3 minutes that he would have from a typical 15 to 20 minute icing session. I love the modularity of these. They're easy to use. And if you're looking for a really unique icing system, absolutely would say to check these out.